right. Hopefully the gain on this mic is like not too loud. Oh, I have notifications. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. Man, I really gotta make more like clips from this stuff. Maybe I should do that first. Maybe I should do that right now. Let me turn this down just a little bit. I think it's too loud. Let me move this away maybe from my face. There we go. Maybe just do something like that. Maybe. Yep. Something like that. Okay. I don't know what's new, man. Like what's even new, you know? Oh, my headphones are like this because I don't want to groove in my head. So I don't know what looks dumber, like this, um, or this. Like I'm not sure what's worse, like this little gap right here, or the other way. You know? Um, yeah, I'm not actually sure. Maybe this is okay. Maybe the gap is okay. I don't know. All right. Desalination. Oh shoot, my favorite freaking large language model, right? SSE. Um, oh cool. There's a web UI instead of the terminal. Um, Server team, take a look in merge. This guy. Let's see what else is new. What can I talk about? And like Mark for a YouTube video. Also, yes, I'm like almost an hour late. Okay, I'm almost an hour late. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. It was a long weekend, 4 days. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. But I'm here now. I'm here now. So everything will be okay. All right. Oh, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, I should talk about this. Um, that's weird because I thought Fly had like a dark mode thing. It's really weird. But yeah, this is the one right here. This. Um, yeah, I should talk about this. I should talk about this. This is really cool. So it's LightFS, but it's Lightstream, right? It's Lightstream and LightFS together, basically, right? Um, we're using LightFS, blah blah blah. However, something is missing, disaster recovery. Because it's local to your app, you don't need to pay someone to manage your LightFS. No manage backups. You had to build your own, take regular snapshots, store the figure out retention policy, that sort of thing. You can only store it point in time. LightFS Cloud. Okay, so maybe it's not. Maybe it's one thing above. It gives you painless and reliable backups with the equivalent of a snapshot every 5 minutes. 8,700 snapshots a month. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go over this. All right. I should actually mark. I should mark this because I did this one time and I think it's okay. Like to come up with like a thing, right? And just copy the Primeagen. I think that's fine. Let me see. Marker. LightFS stuff. I hate going back and like editing things. LightFS backup, LightFS cloud announcement. Okay, let me do this for like 10 minutes and then we'll get to the rust. Okay. Um all right. LightFS cloud, distributed SQLite with managed backups. So it sounds like LightFS plus Lightstream, but like built into FlyIO. All right. So they always do this little thing. Every single blog post, it's genius. Like, because people coming into a deep link, like this is the main problem with routes and like deep links is you don't know like what the heck you're looking at. Like, especially if it's part of like a bigger thing. So what Fly.io does is they say, oh, like we're Fly.io. You can get your app running globally in a matter of minutes. And they always say this like little thing, like this is what we are. It's pretty cool. All right, so we love SQLite in production, and we're all about running apps close to users. That's why we created LiteFS, an open source distributed SQLite database that lives on the same file system as your application and replicates data to all the nodes in your app cluster. With LiteFS, you get the simplicity, flexibility, and lightning fast local reads of working with vanilla SQLite, but distributed so it's close to your users. It's especially great for read-heavy web applications, which all web applications are read-heavy, right? Like all of them. Well, not all of. Well, yeah, I would say like 99% are. Learn more about LiteFS in the LiteFS docs and in our blog posts introducing LiteFS. I honestly can't think of a write-heavy web application. I can't think of one. Like you're thinking like Excalidraw or like Google Docs or something. Google Docs might be. It might be. But like not that many people are making Google Docs, right? Most people are just like browsing the web. Even after we made web applications, people just primarily use it to browse. Okay. At Fly.io, we've been using LiteFS internally for a while, and it's awesome. However, something is missing, disaster recovery, because it's local to your app. You don't need to. Indeed, you can't pay someone to manage your LiteFS cluster. I'm kind of confused about this because like it says which means no managed backups. Until now, you've had to build your own. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. I was like, is this building your own though? Like, is it? Is this considered building your own? I guess it is. Um, but yeah, like for me, why don't you just put Lightstream in your Docker file, right? When I talk about Lightstream, I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this thing. This is the first thing that guy made before he got hired at Fly. Streaming SQLite replication. This this is amazing. I use this on JanDocs. It's incredible. Like it does exactly what it says. It streams to I have it streaming to Backblaze B2, and it costs me nothing. Like it doesn't even cost pennies. I think it cost me $0 on Backblaze. I should look at that though. I never even check it. Okay, let me see. So take your figure out a retention policy, that sort of thing. But I mean, Lightstream does that for you. So I guess I'm like kind of confused. This also means you can only restore from a point in time when you happen to have taken a snapshot, and you likely need to limit how frequently you snapshot for cost reasons. Wouldn't it be cool? Oh, sorry, I'm like putting on my belt. Wouldn't it be cool if you have super frequent, reliable backups to restore from without having to implement it yourself? Yeah, that's Lightstream though, right? Well, that's why we're launching in preview LiteFS Cloud. Backups and restores for LiteFS managed by Fly.io. I mean, isn't it just managed Lightstream? It gives you painless and reliable backups, blah, 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 equivalent to snapshot every 5 minutes, whether your database is hosted with us or anywhere else. How do I use LiteFS Cloud? Okay, so create a cluster in the dashboard, make the auth token available to you, LiteFS. Okay, LiteFS Cloud, okay. There are some docs here, but that's literally it. Then your database will start automatically backing up. It will manage the backups for you, and you'll be able to restore your database near instantaneously to any point in time in the last 30 days with 5-minute granularity. I think this is kind of a good thing though. This 5-minute granularity, I don't traditionally I think it's like every hour, right? Like I don't think it's 5 minutes. I don't think 5-minute granularity is like normal, right? But with Lightstream, it is normal because you can set it to Lightstream's not even 5 minutes. It's like every time the write ahead log changes, it syncs to so this might not be Lightstream. This might be something else. I want to say that again because I think it's just wild. You can restore your database at any point in time with 5-minute granularity, near instantaneously. I mean, that is Lightstream though. Like Lightstream, you can every time you write to the database, the write ahead log, it syncs to S3 or whatever, or Backblaze, in my case, Backblaze. And all you have to do is like Lightstream restore. And then you just like give it a snapshot thing, Not even a snapshot. You just give it like the thing. And then it goes, oh, okay, here you go. And it's exactly what your database was. It's pretty cool. Speaking of restores, you can do those in the dashboard too. You pick a date and time, and we'll take the most recent snapshot before that timestamp and restore it. This will take a couple of seconds or less. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is good. Like, it is really good. Oh, I have a little calendar. That's kind of cool. Restore from this snapshot. We'll introduce pricing in the coming months, but for now, LightFS Cloud is in preview and is free to use. Oh my gosh, it's free. Please go check it out and let us know how it goes. I can't believe it's free. I can't believe that. What the heck? LightFS is built on a simple file format called Light Transaction File, which is designed for fast, flexible replication. Oh, this must be something else. LTX. Oh, he worked on something else, I guess. That's interesting. I don't know. Lightstream works. Like, it's fine. But which is designed for Flash was a LightFS Cloud. But first, let's start off with what an LTX file represents: a change set of database pages. When you commit a write transaction in SQLite, it updates one or more fixed size blocks called pages. By default, these are 4K. An LTX file is simply a sorted list of these changed pages. Whenever you perform a transaction, LightFS will build an LTX file for that transaction. Interesting part of LTX is that contiguous sets of LTX files can be merged together into one LTX file. This merge process is called compaction. For example, let's say you have 3 transactions in a row that update the following set of pages. Okay. With LTX compaction, you avoid the duplicate work that comes from overwriting the same pages one transaction at a time. Instead, one LTX file for transactions A through C contains the last version of each page, so the pages are stored and updated only once. Okay. Oh, I see. So it takes the last, like, of each one, right? Wait. 157. What? Why is it taking one? Pages 157. Oh, I see. Because 5 is here and here, and then 7's here and here. And so 5 is here, here, and here. And these are 3 separate transactions. So it's like a higher level on top of transactions. And it just will take the last. That's why it works every 5 minutes, right? Because then you can be outside the transaction window, right? Single level compaction. Okay. You avoid the duplicate that comes from overwriting the same page as one transaction at a time. That, in a nutshell, is how single level compaction. It's LTX all the way down. Compactions let us take changes for a bunch of transactions and smush them down into a single small file. That's cool and all, but how does that give us fast point in time restores? By the magic of multi-level compactions. Compaction levels are progressively larger time intervals that we roll up transaction data. In the following illustration, you can see the highest level, L3, starts with a full snapshot of the database. This occurs daily, and it's our starting point during our restore. Next, we have an hourly compaction level called L2, so there will be an LTX file with page changes between midnight and 1 a.m., and then another file for 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. Below that is L1, which holds 5 minutes intervals of data. I see. So that's how they stay outside the transaction thing, which I think this is normal, right? Like normally, or like daily, right? Like normally you do this and it's expensive because Postgres. And this is super expensive and not free because of Postgres. But yeah, daily snapshots are like the norm. Hourly snapshots are pretty normal. 5-minute snapshots, like, I'm not actually sure. Like, I don't think those are normal, right? I'm let me see. Postgres, AWS, 5-minute backups. I don't know if that's. I mean, it probably automated backups for Amazon RDS. Okay, so you can set automated backup feature, backup storage, retained backups, backup window. Yeah, see, you look at this. Automated backups occur daily during the preferred backup window. That's what I mean. Like, I think daily backups are the norm, right? But if you use this, you get 5-minute backups, right? Interesting. When a restore is requested for a specific timestamp, we can determine a minimal set of LTX files to replay. For example, If we restored to January 10th at 8:15 a.m., we would grab the following files. Start with the snapshot for January 10th, fetch the 8 hourly LTX files, fetch the 3 5-minute interval LTX files. Since LTX files are sorted by page number, we can perform a streaming merge of these 12 files and end up with the state of the database at the given timestamp. Department of Redundancy Department. That's pretty funny. One of the primary goals is to be simple to use. However, that's not an easy goal for a distributed database when our industry is moving more and more towards highly dynamic and ephemeral infrastructure. Traditional consensus algorithms require stable membership. And adjusting the member set can be complicated. With LightFS, we chose to use async replication as the primary mode of operation. This has some trade-offs and durability guarantees, but it makes the cluster much simpler to operate. LightFS Cloud alleviates many of. LightFS Cloud alleviates many of. I'm the proofreader in this thing. many of the durability trade-offs of, oh wow, more ofs. Async replication without writing data out to S3. Oh, by writing data out to S3, which provides 11 nines of durability. Dang, 11 nines. That's a lot of nines. That's pretty dang durable. Exactly what I was saying. However, we don't write every individual LTX file to S3 immediately. Latency is too high and not cost effective. Instead, LightFS primary node will batch up its changes every second and send a single compacted LTX file to LightFS Cloud. Once there, we'll batch these 1-second files together and flush them to S3 periodically. Once there, LightFS Cloud will batch these 1-second files and flush them to S3 periodically. Okay. Wait. Compacted to LightFS Cloud. Oh, I see. It goes from, we batch changes every second and send a single to their own infrastructure, and then they go from there to S3. Okay. We track the highest transaction ID of LTX files pushed to S3, then we call this the high water mark. This transaction ID is propagated back down to the nodes of the LightFS cluster, so we can ensure that the transaction file is not removed from any node until it is safely persistent on S3. With this approach, we have multiple layers of redundancy in case your LightFS cluster can't communicate with LightFS Cloud, or if we can't communicate with S3. Those 11 nines, baby, you know? We have a small team dedicated to, and we're chugging away at new exciting features. Right now is really just backups and restores, but we are working on a lot of other cool stuff. Upload your database in the Fly.io dashboard. This way you don't have to worry about figuring out how to initialize your database when you first deploy it. Just upload the database in the dashboard, and LightFS will pull it from LightFS Cloud. That is interesting. I was thinking, like, it would be so cool to, like, at first, like, whenever I start, like, a new web app, like, the SQLite database is so small. Like, I can literally just, like, FTP it up to the server, my development one, right? Because it's just so small. Like, I don't know why I bother running migrations. Like, I don't even know why I bother. I could just push it up. I mean, at a certain point, maybe it'll get big where I can't do that, but I don't know. Download a point-in-time snapshot of your database from the Fly.io dashboard. You can use this to spin up a local dev environment with production data. Do some local analysis. Etsy. Okay, this is pretty cool too. That's what I was talking. Yeah, download a point-in-time snapshot of your database. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you could use that to do that. I mean, as long as it's small enough. And I feel like most, like, I mean, the idea that I'm gonna have like even a gigabyte of data in my database is pretty hilarious. Clone your LightFS Cloud cluster to a new cluster, which you could use for a staging environment or on-demand test environments for your CI pipelines with real data. That's pretty cool. Features to support apps that run on serverless platforms like blah, blah, blah. We'll need to develop a number of different features for this. Okay. We're really excited, blah, blah, blah. We want to share what we're thinking. We also love to hear any feedback. I have no feedback. It's cool. Yeah, this is, it's cool. It's cool. All right, sweet. Yeah, it's really cool. I like this. I don't know. I guess I wish like I didn't have to use Docker. Like I wish I could. I There's probably a way around it for Fly to not use Docker, but yeah. Let's see. There's probably a way. Fly toml. Fly deploy if an image is specified. Okay, so maybe I can, regardless of the presence, use Docker file. Okay, so I think I can. I don't have to use a Docker file. I think I can just deploy to Fly. No, that's cool. I mean, I should really use Fly more. Like, I should really use it more. Um, yeah, that's it. Oh wait, before I do this marker thing, I should probably edit that out and just do something like this, right? Go back to this thing. I don't know what to say. That's it. It's good. All right. And light fs cloud announcement. Cloud announcement. There we go. What was that? 17 minutes? All right. I'm going to hang on. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, cool. Cool. I do love this dog. I think it's really cool. I like to see the dogs on the thing. Okay. Let me go over what I did. I got back from my backpacking trip early, so I just started programming. Um, yeah, so let me show you. Let me show you what I did. All right. So I had So I think I was using the atom all wrong. I think you're supposed to have multiple atoms for like each of your thing, and then there's a higher level thing inside of Fermi that does the atom management for you, the re-renders. So what I did was I split out my like app state atom into like multiple atoms, and I probably need more. Like I probably need some more, like maybe for like when you're typing into the text field, so I could like sort to local storage or something. Um, but yeah, the other thing I did is I also like unified the the way to so when it renders on the server, I didn't want to have to keep checking the ready thing, so I came up with this use app state thing, and I think this is probably where I want to go. Like I probably want to go in this direction. Um, yeah, I want to go in this direction. Um, when it comes to like getting state from multiple places, like it would be nice to like just say like, okay, use this state, and I don't really care where it comes from. Like it could come from local storage, the route. It could come from the global atom, right? That's on the client. In memory, it could come from the server through props in the first component that gets rendered, right? Or in that hidden input that I use, um, which I think dioxus does a better thing and uses a meta tag, but yeah. Like I guess I don't really care, right? Just give me the state. And like whichever state is the one that I should be using, use that. So like when it loads, so I have this like ready thing. So this is just between the server and the client. So it's pretty like straightforward. So basically I have this like ready thing, right? Which is kind of like jQuery ready or whatever. So basically when the WASM takes over, right? I check that, and then if it's true, I use the global atom state, which is like another reason why splitting up the atoms makes sense, because I could like do this whole like the generic thing. And then if it's false, use the shared state from the props, right? So you can see that there, right? Like basically, I initialize the atom. I get the initial props from a hidden input or like a meta tag or whatever. And then I set the props based on that. So like when it re-renders, So at first, like it'll get the initial props from the server, but if it's from the back end, it gets the initial props from the scope here, right? Like I actually passed this in the when the thing loads right here. So that just comes from like the database, right? And then I put those in. I put whatever state it's in. I don't really care. I put those into like the shared state provider. Um, and then I also like uh, use a future to re-render, right? So like this just runs with no delay essentially when the component mounts. Um, just because I didn't really know how to use on mount. I wasn't sure if it even worked. So I just did this feature, right? So then this sets the atom state from the props on first render. It's kind of like boilerplatey, and I really want to come up with a better way to do this. But yeah, you can see the ready state here, right? Yeah, I really want to come up with a better way to do this, but it's fine for now. But yeah, so then this is the actual component like that gets rendered, right? So this here you can see the view state can come from the server or it can come from the client, right? So that's pretty cool. So like when I click around on the stuff, like when I click this stuff, this is local, right? Like I'm not sending any network requests, right? Um, I'm not sending anything. So, um, but when I load it up, I always set it to this page here. Yeah. All right. So I am in the middle of. I did some other stuff too, but it's not like super important. I'm in the middle of like completely copying the TikTok UI. So I think I looked at it yesterday, and luckily I didn't get sucked into TikTok because the video starts playing automatically. Um, but yeah, so I wait. What is wrong with it? Why can't I see this? Why can't I see all of this stuff? I don't understand that. Can I not get this? Okay, maybe I should. Maybe why is this so big? Right? How do I adjust this? Oh, that's really weird. Okay. Can I not type? Socket. Oh. Maybe we don't want protocol, right? Initiator. Do I even ever look at that? Transfer size. Yeah, I think maybe that's better. Then I can actually like see it. There we go. Okay. I think yeah, transfer size is probably right. Okay. Yeah, the domain's not like super important either. There we go. There we go. All right. Um, perfect. Okay, so yeah, I think I need icons now for this, and I also need to fix my padding because I changed it again. But yeah, I also need to get rid of body too. So that's gonna be kind of annoying because I already like put that on the server. So I already put it on the VPS. So now I have to like do a bunch of database stuff. But whatever, we'll just do it. All right, cargo sqlx, migrate, add, r, add help, r, and then all right, remove body from post, or remove title from posts. Yeah. Okay. Remove title from posts. So I did do this before. I think I like changed. I needed to like do collate no case for the username because I wanted usernames to be unique across like case. So yeah, I had to do this thing. But I'm not sure if it actually worked. I had some weird problems when I actually put it on the server, but we will try it. We will try it. Create posts. Okay. So we'll just copy that, get rid of this, right? Get rid of that. We will say create table, posts temp. Okay. And then we will say this is the new table, right? So it's not going to have a body. That's done, right? Oh, wait. Can I just drop a column in SQLite? Can I do that? Let's see. Alter table. Alter table rename. Add column. Oh, you can drop column. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Okay. Yeah, you used to not be able to do that. Okay. All right. So now I don't need to do any of this craziness. I could just do something really easy, right? Alter table post drop column title, and then remove title. We can just do alter table posts add column add column. Where's the little where's my, there it is. Let's see, add column def, column name, title, text, not null. Okay. Text, column constraint. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, sweet. All right, so yeah, this is gonna work. Easy. Easy peasy. Cargo sqlx. Actually, we could just do cargo run, no default features, SSR, migrate. Okay. Now if I go into SQLite, right, I check the schema. Posts is somewhere. Uh-oh. What did I do? What did I do wrong? I don't even see the post table. Select from posts. Oh, what the heck? Schema? That's weird. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Only body. Perfect. 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 No more title. All right. Of course, my code is now completely broken, so we have to fix that. Okay. I'm gonna just do. We're gonna say likes, right? We're breaking away from Reddit a little bit. Timeline, yeah, recommended meta tags. Oh. All right. Put a new post. All right, so we got title here. That's gone, right? We're gonna delete all traces of title. That's done too, right? Okay, add post, right? Okay. We'll go back up. Title's gone here. It's gone here too. Okay. And then here, this is gone. Title is gone here. And then we have to actually like go to post, which is here. What else is broken? What else is broken? Why is this broken? Error return, no field title. That is correct. Oh, right here. Okay. All right, cool. Error return from database, cannot find value title in the scope. Oh, that is correct. It is deleted. Okay. Okay, error return from database. 5 values for 4 columns. Oh. All right, what else is broken? Is that it? That was all. That was all it took. Let's see. Let's go back to new post. New post. And I guess that was it. Interesting. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Okay, cool. Let's try it. Yeah. But yeah, I definitely need like a heart icon too. It's bootstrap icons for me. You know what I mean? Like 100%, 100% bootstrap icons. Let's look at heart, right? There we go. Oh, that's kind of cool. Arrow through heart. You don't see that too much. Oh, balloon heart. That's pretty sweet. A little something, you know. Heart eyes. Yeah, heart pulse. Just hearts. Yeah, I mean, maybe it'd be cool if like you hearted something and there's like hearts that came up from the bottom or something. I don't know. Like, is that overkill? I don't know. I mean, maybe it is, but I feel like, little things, like that, they make something, they make it a little special. Yeah, maybe I'll have multiple hearts, right? Maybe just for now, I'll just do a empty heart, and then when you heart it, I'll do the fill, right? But actually, you know what? We have dioxus icons. Yeah, we have this, right? Use free SVG icons in your dioxus project. With dioxus free icons, there's a lot of icons. But it's nice not to have to like think about them, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's weird to like pull in a crate just for icons, Maybe not though, Oh wait, maybe it's not compatible. Maybe there's something wrong. Oh yeah. I can't do this. But honestly, like I don't even know how you could break changes with an icon thing. Like I have no idea how that's even a thing. So maybe I shouldn't use this because like how can it break? Like it's so simple. All right, let's just do the manual work, Like let's just do the sloggish, just horrible like thing. Let's just do it. All right. I guess I can just use SVG instead of like downloading a file. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do that. Maybe I'll do that. Oh no. Oh no. All right. Let's see. Does it still load? Does the thing still load? It does. Only body to do completed. Perfect. Okay, so let me change the like button, right? And I'm glad I don't have to come up with a color because I'm just glad. Like the icon is gonna be enough. All right, so it used to just, okay, it has children, right? It has children. So instead of whatever I did, right, which is the pose thing, if I could select the right one. So instead of doing this, I'm just doing like, and instead of this having a background, yeah, I mean, this could just be part of like this now is kind of like, what's the point of this, right? There's actually no point to this besides the opacity. there's actually 0 point to this thing. Yeah, it doesn't even need to be a thing anymore, right? This could literally just be the icon, and I could just click on it. So yeah, anyway, let's not change this. Let's just leave that, and then we'll make a icon thing. CX scope has inline props. Okay. Okay. And then we've got let's see. It has inline props. It has children, right? Children. Wait. Does it have children? No, it doesn't have children. It has We'll just copy dioxus this thing. What does it look like? It has a width, a height, a fill, and an icon, right? So we'll just say color is a stir, right? And then it has a icon, which is apparently an enum, but we'll just make it a stir, right? Actually, no, we'll make it an enum. Well, we'll make it a stir. And then actually, you know what? We will make it an enum because honestly, like, we'll make it icons, right? Enum icons heart. Okay, derive. Yeah, there's no derive icons, and then this is going to be yeah, I guess maybe because it was like BS, right? But that's fine. Fill. Oh, the fill is not a thing. Width, which is like usize. Height is usize. I guess. I don't know. And then we could just match on icon. And then we could like fill that all in. Of course, helix is broken, so that just like totally wiped out my macro attribute. Okay, icon heart, and then finally we are here. We are here with this, and we're doing this. I guess I'll just do like a span or something, and then we'll just do like class. Wait, am I gonna do class? What is it? Dangerous. What is it? Dangerous. Dangerous. I forget what they call it. Inner HTML. Dang, this is a good one. This is a good playlist. Okay. Dangerous inner? Is that what they call it? What is it called? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. And then we could just do this, right? And we could do this. And we could do this. Can I do this thing? There we go. There we go. Perfect. Perfect span in the scope. Oh. This is gonna be RSX up here. This is gonna be CX render. This comes down here like so. Right here. It was this actually, and then this. There we go. Okay. Oh, it still doesn't like that. Oh, do I have to do a RSX here too? I think I do. Dude, I'm away from this for like a few days and I lose all track of what's happening. Cargo format, dioxus format. Oh, all right, there we go. Sometimes dioxus format just, it doesn't do it. You know what I mean? Let's see. Reload. Does it look any better? No, it doesn't look any. What the heck? It doesn't look any better. All right, it should look like this, right? Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh, you know what? It's because it's. Oh no, that's not even the problem. It's this massive string. It's this massive string that I've like put in here. Okay, so this is width and this is height. And I think I can do default props. But yeah, we could say option, right? This is option usize, option usize. It's really cool, by the way. Option, like, I mean, if you're using an old language like me, like Ruby, it's really cool to have that. It's really sweet. Let width equals width unwrap or 16, and height is the same. Okay, so unused height, but it's not unused because it's right here, right? Can I not do that with the dangerous thing? Can I not do this thing? Can I not do that in the macro? Oh, it's not used. Height. Oh. Okay. Okay, cool. What does this say? Are never read. That is correct. Okay. Color is going to be color. Can you do that? Can you do that? We could just say let color equals color unwrap or white. Actually, yeah, I don't care about bootstrap at this point. Okay. For me, I think it's either I think they're all gonna be white, so I don't really care. Option. Okay. Oh, I got rid of my lifetime. All right. Cool. All right, let me go posts. So go down here. We don't need this anymore. We're just gonna have an icon, right? Oh, but we're gonna have a. Do I just have a button that doesn't have any styling? I don't think I do, right? Where's button props used? Do I have like a link or something? Link? No, I don't. Okay. All right, let me just do like FN unstyled, but we'll just call it a link, right? CX scope A. And then we've got inline props. And then we've got on click, which is an event handler. Yes. Thank you. CX render. Yes. RSX. Good. It's just, I think it's just going to be, yeah, maybe we'll just do like unstyled button or something. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's just going to be nothing, right? It's literally going to be no class, and it's just on click. Online. Where'd that come from? And then children, of course. Children is, yep, that is correct. All right, cool. On click. What's wrong with this? Oh, trailing comma. All right. Required by bound introduced. What? What's happening? Oh, this. It doesn't like that. Event handler is not the thing. Event handler, mouse event, maybe. Where was I? Oh, there we go. Okay. Mouse event. Yeah, I guess like, why am I doing this, right? I'll just have a button that's just, no, I'll just call button. Well, what was I thinking? Button on click. Do nothing for right now. And then just have icon, right? There we go. Cool. Icon does not have on click, but it does have nothing actually. Icon requires an icon. There we go. All right, cool. Sweet. Just a big blob of SVG, baby. I better see that sweet icon in there. I better see it in there. Oh, so little. So little. All right, let's see what like a good height is before I actually. Well, we could try the hot reload. Honestly, like the hot reload has been kind of hit and miss. I don't know what's up with it, but it's definitely not doing great. Sometimes it just has like an unwrap in there somewhere, and it just like stops completely. So, I'm not actually sure what's going on there. All right, let me see. We're gonna do it. We're gonna try it right now. We're gonna say width. We're gonna try 24, height 24, right? Oh, you know what'd be cool is if I had a size thing. Oh, did it just failed? Wait, manual rebuild required. Okay, let's just try to see what it looks like. Let's see, button. Let's try 24, right? I'll try 24. Okay, 24. I mean, it's getting there, right? Maybe like 32 is more. 32. Like, let's try 48. That's a big boy. That's a big, beautiful button. I love it. All right, let's do 48. 48. 48. It'd be cool if I had like a size icon, right? Or a size. I've done this before. Like this is width and height, you know? That'd be sick. Let's do that. Option, use size. Okay, so match size. So size will take, what takes precedent though, right? Do you ever want width and height to be, let's just do size. We're just gonna do size. Let size equals size dot unwrap, or we'll start with 24. And then we could just say let width equals size height. All right. The other icons, this is actually the profile picture, which I don't even have in the database. This is a comment, and this is also the profile picture, I think. This is also the profile picture. So I think what I have to do is like, yeah, this makes sense though, right? The way they did it makes sense. So I think what I have to do is like, I have to show the same nav. Like this is never going to change. When you click stuff, if you're not logged in, then you get the sign up like screen. So that I have to change this to never change, right? So I think what I like wrote down. Okay. All right. I actually like use stuff in the real world to like make stuff in the digital world. All right, let me see. So I have look at this. Okay, can you read that? Can you read that? I don't know if you can read that. All right. Okay, so I have home, search, add, DMs, and your own profile, right? So that's always going to be there. Like I'm changing the nav based on whether or not you're logged in, but it's way simpler to just always have it the same and have the click event handle the navs, handle the whether or not you're logged in. Yeah, okay. Let me just put the comment in there. Let's look for a comment icon. Let's see. Come on now. Where'd my search go? Oh. Comment. Oh my gosh, really? No comment? No comment. Bootstrap icons have no comment. All right, it's probably like reply or something, right? Oh, what? Oh, it's probably like chat. Bubble? Yeah. All right, so probably like with 3 dots maybe. I don't know, I kind of like this squarish one a little bit, but I also like this one too. So I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should just do like the filled chat. Do I like the right chat or the left chat? It doesn't matter. We'll just do chat fill. Chat fill, baby. Copy that over. Let's do it. Icons, chat fill. Okay. All right. This is really repetitive. Span. Oh my gosh. Okay. What am I doing to myself? All right. Can this be formatted? Like, this is horrible. We need to do this. This is one too many, I think. There we go. No, not inline the macro. Generate the variant, son. Generate, no. All right, chat fill. Okay, cool. Let's actually use it, I guess, right? All right, so this is going to be button again. On click is nothing. Icon is the same size, but it's icon chat fill. Is it broken? It doesn't look like it. All right. Oh, forgot the size. forgot this. Wait, did I forget the size? It's weird because like, that's interesting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I forgot to change this. Yeah, this is going to get real repetitive really quick. And then I have to also do this too. Oh yeah, that's freaking annoying. That's super annoying. Okay. No wonder someone made a lot. What can I do to automate this? I guess I can dynamically make those first attributes, right? Instead of me just changing it, right? What I can do is this. Let adder string, I guess, right? Format width equals but I will still need to, when I grab it, I'm still gonna need to like, I guess I could just delete like those three attributes wholesale, I guess. I don't know, it's kind of annoying. I have to figure something else out. Okay. All right, that's big and beautiful. But it's weird that one's filled and one's not, but maybe it's like, oh, this begs the thing, like maybe you should do that, you know? All right, so maybe I'll make a special bit. Like instead of just being a button, we'll just say like um floating but I even go. That's not floating. Is it floating? We'll say main button, right? We'll say main button. And then this will just be button class. You know what? We won't even do that. We'll just do this for now. Opacity 80. All right, there you go. And then I can delete this. And I can the sub button. Yeah, it's gonna be the user profile picture, which there is none at first. So I have to come up with like identicons or something. I'm not actually sure what I'm gonna do. Um, I mean, it's gonna cost money to use AI unless I use Stable Diffusion, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do for default profile pictures. But yeah, we can just have them as generic icons, I guess. But this should be profile picture, right? This one should definitely be, because it's got to be like the person who did the thing. And let me change the nav to like not change too. So yeah, this needs to be. This could be sub, but let me see. Do they even have anything like subscribe? Yeah. Follow? No. Add? I guess I could just scroll through, right? I don't know what I'm looking for. It's like kind of abstract, I guess. I know it's kind of like adding, right? I mean, TikTok just has the user profile and like a little plus button, right? What does Twitter use? What does Twitch use? Twitch doesn't even have a thing, right? Twitch doesn't even have a thing. Twitch has what? It just says subscribe, I think. Yeah, it's like star. Oh, it's like follow is like. Interesting. Interesting. But I have like as a separate thing. I have like as a separate thing. It's kind of nice about Twitch though. Maybe I will do like thumbs up for like, and follow will be right. Like we'll do like up maybe. Um, I don't even think they have like a thumbs up, right? Oh, they do have a thumbs up. Yeah, maybe this will be like. Is that lame? Is that Facebook? Am I just recreating Facebook right now? Up? How long have I been? Oh my gosh, it's been an hour. All right, I gotta get out of here pretty soon. What is like up though? Like, what do you do? Like up collection? Yeah. Maybe we'll just do. Yeah, maybe I will just do that like weird ad person thing. I don't really like it though, because it's like not. It's like not really. Yeah, I guess I could do this like patch, right? Person fill ad. I mean, I get it looks so lame. Person plus fill. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. All right, let's copy this one more time. How many? I have 8 icons. Should I really like? I like how I have 8 icons. And I'm trying to like automate this thing. Can this really? Can it please format this for me? This is horrible. Okay, it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. I mean, I guess I should be grateful because before, like, it would just, there was another unwrap in there and it would just do that. Okay, let me see. Span. Okay, yes. All right, this looks a little better, I guess. Manually doing things. All right. Icons. What is it? What is this called? Person plus fill. Person plus fill. I should really just be grateful because this is all free, honestly. Dangerous, inner HTML, R, boop. Wait, there we go. Then we'll just paste that in there. We will change this to height. And we will change this to width. Whoops. And we will change this to fill. Oh, wait, color. And then that doesn't exist. So now we got to go to icons. Person plus fill. And then the last one was the profile of the person, right? This one was a profile, right? So that doesn't even like really exist. Yeah. That one is going to be a circle. Yeah, I should add profile pictures. Okay, let me see. Chat fill, person plus fill. Let's go back up to posts. This is. Can I get over that? Oh, there we go. Person plus fill. Okay, good. And then this is chat fill. And this is not an icon. This is just a button. So it's probably not going to show anything because I don't have anything to show. Did I break anything? Oh, I did. Oh, right. This is now broken. Mouse event, I think. Yeah. So this nav needs to change, right? This is not going to be different at all. Okay, I'm going to get out of here pretty soon. Thank you, null inside. Thank you. Okay. So this is going to be more icons, but I think this is just going to be static. So this doesn't even require that anymore, right? Oh, it does require it actually, but it's just not going to change. So what did I have? I have to look at this again. Let me see. I have to look at this. Home search. Okay. I'm just going to write it down real quick. Home search add DMs. Okay. So it is search, which I don't even have that. Search, search, search. And then this is actually at the end. And this is actually add. And this is DMs, right? Messages. Add. Profile. That's all you can do when you're in a macro. Messages. Oh, shoot. Someone's talking to me at work. I gotta get out of here. All right. I will be back tomorrow.